Hi everybody, I am super excited about today's video. Today we are going to be making black bottom cupcakes. Black bottom cupcakes are chocolate cupcakes topped with cream cheese. These are super delicious and super easy, so let's get started. Alright, we're going to start by making the cream cheese topper. In a stand-up mixer, beat together 1 large egg, half a cup of sugar, and 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese at room temperature. Alrighty, now you're just going to set it aside. Alright, now we are going to be making this super delicious, super chocolatey cupcake batter. So let's get to it. In a medium-sized bowl, mix together 1.5 cups of cold water, half a cup of vegetable oil, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 3 teaspoons of balsamic vinegar. In a stand-up mixer, mix together 2 1/3 cups all-purpose flour, half a cup of sifted cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt, and 1 cup of sugar. Add your wet ingredients and your dry ingredients in 2 different groups. Now you're going to pour your batter into prepared cake tins and fill it about 3/4 of the way full. And then once you complete that, you are going to be putting your cream cheese topper on your cupcakes. So yeah, just take spoonfuls and then sprinkle some chocolate chips over the top and bake at 350 degrees for about 25 minutes. Now, enjoy.